Chairman ke State Planning Board bat UMLA MDC ke Nongkrem Constituency ubak Lambor Malngiang ula Pynpaw ba ke jingbym kam jam jong ki samla ryngkat ba ke jingdon ke khlam COVID-19 kan pynpoi yaki sya ke jingrah tiar ialeh ne rung kynhun kai khlaw lada umla benda eiei nak benda jongki ubak Lambor ula ongru ba ke don lupa haduh arpho ne lypa hajar ki samla pule khlem khlem jam bat sakumbasan hajar ne reu hajar kiba wanphai na bar jylla kabalabu jingeh shuh nak benda ke jongki Kumta nak yang ubah Lambor, ulah kentu ya ke Sarkar Jylla hapo ke Jingelam Conrad Sangma bade bendonno ke Skill Development University banyarap ya kini samla.
Well, today we have noticed that numbers of students, numbers of returnees have returned back to the state, and I have calculated from the statistic that more than 5,000 students who have been working in different sector, different companies outside the state, all of them have returned back from different level. Well, today I have also would like to inform you that I have already discussed this matter seriously with the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Sangma. I have sent my note to him and then expressing the concern for the youth who have just returned, not only for the returnees but also to the educated youth who reside here in the States, and also who parents are can't afford to extend their support, helping hands financially, and they are stuck here. So if you take roughly calculation, I will not say that it is not less than 20 to 30,000 youth who have been educated. So this is really a concern. I will not blame anyone because, as you know, with the present situation, with the present kind of a situation, we have noticed that not only in our country, but it has also affected the entire world. I could see that the economy has crashed down badly, and this will take some time for us to rebuild the losses that occurred. And today I should say that we should focus more on how to come up with new ideas. And my main intention, what I have discussed with the government, I have discussed with the Chief Minister, that at least let us have a skill university to help these different skills for different arts God has given them. So yes, I understand we have the skill training program conducted in the state, but it does come in a small way. So to support in a bigger way, we need better facilities, we need a better program, and I should say that the university is a must. It is not only to cater the youth of our state, but it will also cater the surrounding of other states who are neighboring states. So these are the points that I have discussed, and I feel that it is a great concern because we are fear, because we have to also look from another angle. And today, if a young boy is started getting that kind of frustration, we are fear that they may lead in a different life which might mislead their mindset. They may pick up arms. We are so fear of that because this is very serious. If there's no job, if a students who have been educated, finding no solution to his life to support his family, I could see that we have seen in different states, young students, young boys started picking up arms and create a kind of insecure life to the society, where we have noticed that today our state is one of the peaceful state in the entire northeastern region. Happy to see that Others has returned back to the mainstream. But this also, with this kind of a situation, I am fear that if we will not look, thoroughly, properly, concentrate on how to support them, they might numbers of youth might be picking up arms. Then that is who will take the responsibility. So this is what my submission, and also I had a very long discussion with the Chief Minister. Yes, to do everything at one go, it is not an easy task, because with this present situation, state is having a huge financial problem. Everything has been diverted, all the fund has been diverted from different departments to fight against the COVID-19. So here it is difficult at the moment to blame anyone. Our government is trying its best to see that, yes, to come up with the tourism sector. And today we have noticed that tourism business is completely shut down because of no visitors. So we have no alternative. We have to come out with a kind of a solution to all these problems. So my point is, I will also keep on stressing on this, my part, that we have to have a good university, a skilled university, so to say.